Getting your first credit card without a credit history is possible, but the best option depends on whether you need a secured card, a starter card, or a credit-building product. By the end, you'll know which types of cards to look at, what approval factors matter, and how to choose a card that helps you build credit instead of creating problems. The first thing to understand is that no credit history is different from bad credit. If you have never borrowed money before, lenders have limited information about how you manage payments. That is why many beginner-friendly cards focus on lower-risk approval options. The easiest category to compare is secured credit cards. These cards usually require a security deposit, which reduces the lender's risk. The deposit does not mean you are paying for the card itself. It works as collateral while you build a payment history. Cards from companies like Discover, Capital One, and Obenski are commonly considered by people starting their credit journey. Each one has different approval rules, fees, and account features, so check the current terms before applying. Another option is a credit-building product like Kickoff or Self. These products work differently from traditional credit cards because the goal is focused on helping users establish credit activity. When comparing cards, look at 4 things. First, check whether the account reports payment activity to the major credit bureaus. Reporting is what allows your responsible use to appear on your credit profile. Second, compare fees. A card with simple terms is usually easier to manage than one with confusing charges. Third, look at the upgrade path. Some secured cards allow you to move to a traditional unsecured card after responsible use, while others may not offer the same path. Fourth, check how the card fits your spending habits. A credit card only helps when you can make payments on time and avoid carrying unnecessary balances. The approval process also depends on your situation. Some companies may review your income, banking information, or other financial details when deciding whether to approve an application. The best card for someone with no credit history is usually the one with manageable costs, clear reporting practices, and a realistic path towards stronger credit. To summarize, secured cards can help beginners establish credit. Credit-building products offer another route, and the right choice depends on fees, reporting, and long-term goals. Before applying, compare the latest terms from the card issuer and choose the option you can manage consistently. If this helped you understand your options, like the video, and subscribe for more credit guides.